Hey guys, welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. This morning I'm gonna make some tofu and eggplant casserole. These are the ingredients that I'm gonna use this morning. I have some peanut butter with no sugar, no ingredients, just the peanuts. I have a can of tomato paste, a little hot sauce, a little sesame oil, a little tamara, soy sauce, and I'm gonna put some nutritional yeast in there. I have the eggplant on the other side. I'm gonna cut that up, slice it up, and saute that. But let me get the tofu ready to be marinated for about 2 hours. Okay, all right. Okay, I crumbled up the tofu. And now we'll go ahead and add some of the ingredients. I will show you step by step. This is about 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. I'm gonna go ahead and add that into the bag. Optional. You could put hot sauce. I'm using Louisiana hot sauce. I'm gonna use about a teaspoon of that in here. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. I'm going to use a half a teaspoon of sesame oil. A full can of tomato sauce. Mix this up really well. I'm going to let this marinate for about 2 hours on the counter. 1 eggplant. I'm going to slice it up and add a little salt to it to remove the bitterness out of the salt to it. I'm going to let it sit here while I prepare the rest of the ingredients. Okay, I have a half a teaspoon of avocado oil in the pan here. And I'm going to go ahead and saute my eggplants. Okay, see the water, the salt released from the eggplants. So I'm gonna go ahead and place them in the skillet. I'm going out here to get some rosemary for my tofu and eggplant casserole. So I think that's probably enough right there. Now, just so you know, you can use more eggplants if you like, but this dish is just for me, so I chose to only use 1 eggplant. I'm gonna go ahead and add the rosemary and garlic to the tofu. This is a great Meatless Monday kind of recipe. You can make tacos out of this if you like, but I'm just making a casserole with it today. And let that cook about 3 more minutes, and then I'm gonna put it in a casserole dish in the oven at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. This is the casserole dish I'm gonna use. And I'll add a little bit at the bottom of the casserole dish. Spread it out. Okay. If you don't like eggplants, you're probably not gonna like this dish, but I love eggplants. So let me add the remainder on the top of it. It smells so good in here. That's it. Turn off the stove. I'm going to place this in a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes. I just took it out of the oven. Taste a little bit of it. That's a good piece there. It's delicious. That is very good.